Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Klook app. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Klook and you will enter. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.